When solving a two-step equation, you first start off with the addition and subtraction. So since it's minus 7, the inverse operation of minus is plus, so you would add 7 to both sides of the equal sign. 7 plus a negative 7 is 0, so you would be left with (2x), and then 21 plus 7 is 28. Then 2x would be 2 times x, and the inverse of times is divide, so we would divide by 2 on both sides of the equation, and we would get x because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 28 divided by 2 is 14. So our answer is x equals 14. Keep in mind that the numbers that you are working with are always on the side with the variable or the x.